Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I am off on an adventure. I was told that down the beach here at the Marriott, there is a spot a little ways away where there is no seaweed in the water, and I want to see if I can walk to it. So my friends, let's get cracking. An added bonus for why we might want to hurry is you can see there are some dark clouds out there, and actually you can hear a little bit of thunder. And if you look at the end of the clouds, you can see that right there, it is actually raining. But hopefully that's going to go past me, and I'll be able to stroll down here, past this rain cloud, and off to the end of the beach. So if you're walking, this is actually looking back at the Seaweed Resort. We are headed off this way. Yesterday I was at Conkleshell Beach, which is across that way and over the ridge. Today, we're headed this way. I think it's called Horseshoe Beach, although I could have lost that name. There was something with an H. A few minutes into the video, and I just turned on my Fitbit so I could actually track how long this journey is going to take. So at least now I've got a timestamp on this time so we can see just how it lines up with the real time. A little bit of free advertising for the locals. There is an Irie stable. You can do donkey and horseback riding. You can see the phone number on the sign. So it only takes about 5 minutes of walking to get to this corner, and that's where you can see the building I showed yesterday, or the building I showed previously, that has a little fishing shack in front of it and is not ready for business. I love the views and the sound of the ocean, even if the ocean does have those black spots out there that are kind of staring me down. Back around that bend is where we started. Probably haven't even walked 10 minutes. Headed around that corner to see what kind of beaches prevail. So this chunk of beach, my friends, is obviously not the part that is not getting hit with the seaweed issue. That is a ton of seaweed. And if you look out there, it is a mass of seaweed still coming in. Just so you can get an idea how far I walked. If you follow the water, it seems like quite far, but if you look right there, just over top of the plants, you can see the resort. So it's really not that far at all. There's a little bit of different view of the fishing bottles and the fishing nets. I actually see buoys that would be a net. And here's the cool little fishing shack. And the buildings that haven't been lived in a while. That poor roof needs more than a little bit of work. Let's see what we get when we go around the bend. Alright, so immediately around the bend, the bottom is a little different. And this is smooth, like there's not as much water able to enter. It's just a bit more calm as the waves end up breaking out there on something. I don't know what it is. The sand is not beachy white, but it is awesome, and you've got a little bit of coral up on the shore. At the end of the little bend, you can kind of see the rise that is stopping the water there. And this actually looks seaweed free. Got a couple cool little flags to let you know you made it this far. You can see footprints of other travelers that have made it here as well. Near the end of the beach, you run into stuff. They're just trees and stuff that are down. It looks like you can come up here and walk around if you wanted. I think because of the weather, I'm gonna make my trek back and head the other way. But it is possible to get here, and it is a nice clean beach. Alrighty friends, I am gonna hoof it back to the resort. So far this trip, when I turned on the monitor, it took 18 minutes to get to this spot. So that means I probably can do it in 15 if I'm really hustling, and because of the weather behind me, I think it's time to hustle. Friends, if you found the video useful, please hit the like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, Add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to notice a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Friends, a little bonus clip. Knock on wood, I'm almost back to the resort. You can see that storm. It's pretty nice. So I think I'm living the dream. Tell you what though, behind that mountain, that is a dark cloud.